Hello my fibre friends, well look what's arrived today. A nice big parcel from Deramores. So I took advantage and I had some money. And I thought, what better way to spend some money than on some yarn. So, I just wanted stuff to fill. I've got ideas on a few things. So what have I bought? I bought some chocolate. The ball band's come undone. Going to have to get some glue and glue that down. Doesn't know me. Right, so I've got the AntiPillion, and you know I love Deramores. AntiPillion double knit. This colour's called chocolate, and it's 100 grams, 5mm needle, 4mm crochet hook, US 8 for the knitting needle, US G6 for the hook, machine wash, don't iron, don't bleach, cold rinse, short spin, do not wring, and it can be dry cleaned. And it's 100% acrylic, and you've got 250 meters and 273 yards. So I've got 3 of them. And then I got some Kinko cotton in 4-ply. I got this for me amigurumis. So I've got three of them, and these are Kinko's, and they're 50 grams, and it's 100% Giza merchandise cotton, 175 yards, 158 meters, 3.25 knitting needles, US 3, and 40 wash, hot iron, and dry flat. And this is made in the UK. Oh no, made in Turkey, I beg your pardon. And it is white. So I've got 3 of them. And if remember this poncho that I made. I'm having a hot flush. I made it with the Stylecraft hummingbird. So I got myself this one. It is a Stylecraft Cabaret, and it's called Shadows, and I really like that colour. I like blacks, and I thought that would be nice for an evening show. But we'll see what I make. Let me see. Gosh, I've lost the pot. It's 98% premium acrylic, 2% polyester. It's 100 grams, 230 meters, 251 yards, 30-degree machine wash, cool tumble dry, and maybe dry cleaned. Knitting needles UK 8, US, oh that's the old, it's a 4mm needle and a US 6. And it is a G6 US crochet hook and a 4mm crochet hook. And if you bear with me, I'm going to put my fan on because I'm having a summer moment. And I bought 5 of them, I think. Yeah, I've got 5 of them. So that's them. Oh. Just bear with me a minute. These summer moments, honest to goodness, they're driving me up the wall. Then I got some Kinko double knit. This is called Basil. It's 100 grams, 60 acrylic, 40 100% nylon, 340 yards, 310 meters, 4mm knitting needle, and 40-degree wash, cool, tumble dry. Don't iron and don't bleach, but this is and it's really, it is lovely and soft. So I think I got 5 of them. Basil, I think they'll look, it's called Kinko Baby Comfort, and it's, and do you know what, I thought that might be nice for, how many did I get? 2, 4, 5, so I've got 5 of them. And then I got some of the amethyst, I think this is, no, aubergine, the Studio AntiPillion double knit, and yeah, so this is the colour amethyst, not amethyst, aubergine. It's aubergine, Linda, can you see? That's aubergine. Do you know that's aubergine? Anyway, so that's aubergine. So I've got 3 of them. Lost the plot. And then I wanted to get some chunky. So I've used the Deramores and AntiPillion chunky before, and it is nice yarn to use. And it is 100 grams, 80 meters, 87 yards, 9mm knitting needle, US 13, 6.5mm hook, and it's a K 10.5, 100% acrylic, cold rinse, short spin, do not wring, and this is called Aquamarine. So I've got that colour, I've got 5 of them, and then I've got the colour, this colour, I got this colour is called Carnation, so it's exactly the same as the what colour did I say that was? That's Aquamarine, and that's the Carnation, so it's exactly the same yardage and everything. So, and it's really, I've worked with this before, and it is nice yarn. So that's that. And then I got paprika in the double knit, Deramores. So yeah, paprika. It's nice. I like that colour. It's almost like a burnt orange colour, isn't it? So I got that colour. I got 5 of them. And then I got this green. I thought this green would be good for the Yoda, and it is called Peridot. Quite like that. I do like greens. I must admit I like greens. I never used to. So that is the same, 100 grams, and I got 5 of them. And last but not least, I got this is super soft James Brett. It is 100% acrylic, and this is mint. There's no other, it's a 4-ply. So I got 5 of them, and that is my yarn haul. I will be buying yarn for a good month now, so I think I've got everything, and I've got all my projects in mind, what I want to do. So I've got a list a mile long. So yeah, so that's it from me. So I've had this I think has been the biggest yarn haul that I've had from Deramores, but I just took advantage of having my reward points and whatever. So I just thought, well, while I've got the points and I had a little bit of extra money to spend, I thought I'm going to treat myself. So yeah, so I hope you've enjoyed this little yarn haul. I'm not going to be doing any for a while, and all I need now to do is sort out my shelves. So we'll see how that goes, shall we? Anyway, have a fabulous day. Take care, stay safe, don't forget to wash your hands, wear your masks, and have a wonderful, wonderful day. Take care everybody, bye for now.